people, y'all can call me Tasha. If you are new to this channel and you like what you see, hit that like button, subscribe button, comment down below, and join my live streams. Today I have 2 burgers here. There was a couple tater tots. I think I ate all the tater tots I was supposed to have, so I left the tater tots for everybody else. I'm gonna have a barbecue bacon burger here, and then I'm gonna have a regular cheeseburger here. I'm gonna make it right in front of you, and I'm gonna make it quick because I'm hungry. I'm gonna put everything on my top buns. So this one is the regular cheeseburger. This one is going to have, oh, I don't have a knife, hold up. All right, so I'm gonna take this off real quick. Put my mayo on the bottom. This is mayo and mustard. If y'all are following Tosh X Fowl, that's me and Fallon's couples channel. Come here, I don't want all that. That's our couples channel. We were making it on live, so it should still be up. Put that there and put that. Y'all hear that woman in the background? I think she over here dropping clementine. She's still on live. All right. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put the lettuce on the bottom. No, I'm not. I'm gonna put the lettuce on the bottom. I'll put the tomato on the bottom. 2 tomatoes. Yeah, I am gonna put the lettuce. Put the burger. Here's the onion. I got hot pickles. I can't remember what brand, but they're refrigerated pickles. And I got some banana peppers. I'm about to tear this up. And I wish I could eat more than I'm about to eat, but oh well. I'm gonna eat as much as I can. Throw that down, roll that. Here we go. Yes, baby. Then for this, hold up. Put the barbecue sauce, roll that. See, when you have a barbecue burger, you really gotta use a lot of barbecue sauce, or you might as well just not even do anything. I'm gonna use these little onions to make it like onion rings. And I got some jalapenos. Then you pour more barbecue sauce on it. You pour barbecue sauce all over it until there's no more barbecue sauce left. And you might have to go get some more barbecue sauce. Who knows? You'll find out once you bite it. Like I'm about to do. I'm gonna go for, thumbnail. I think I should put this here. And this here. There we go. There we go. That's it. That's it. All right, let's bite this big son of a... Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. Go ahead, because I'm about to. My mouth ain't even that big. I think I might have to cut this burger so I can actually eat it. I'm gonna cut the burger, y'all, sorry. Y'all wanna see me bite it, don't you? All right, it's gonna be juicy. I feel like juice. Oh yeah, I need a napkin. That thing was good. Y'all look at that. Oh, I go get another napkin. Oh, I got some grape soda. Did you get the right, you told them the right burgers? All right, y'all, I'm about to bite into this Western bacon cheeseburger. Oh, man. I'm gonna call this a jalapeno bacon burger. That's good. Oh, that's great. It's so good. Meat seasoned so well. I need some more barbecue sauce, so I can't taste the barbecue sauce, but the burger is good without it. I'm gonna have to finish this video. Like, come back, because I want to eat this. Hold up. I'm lady over here having a glass of wine and on live. That's what's up. I'm about to take this burger down. I'm sure y'all can hear her in the background. I don't care. The meat. Stop it. Earlier today, I had a sandwich from Panera Bread. I only ate it was a half sandwich. I got a soup and half a sandwich. I only ate half of the half sandwich. And now I ate half of the soup, maybe. Back to this. This juicy one. Excuse me. They both good. It's my favorite. Woo! Y'all got to get these. They're in the salad section. You know, like the pre-made salads, produce. Y'all gotta get them. Just to go on the barbecue. It's good. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say that I went to Walmart today on live. But y'all should know that if y'all was with me. Y'all got notified. Anyway, I went to Walmart. If you didn't see that video. And I got some coloring books. So me and Fallon, we decided we're gonna sit in here. I'm gonna ask Elijah if he wants to color. He probably don't. I'm gonna ask him anyway. I'm sorry. That's too much. I'm doing too much. Anyway, I got some coloring books from Walmart. Calvin got some floral, some ones with flowers and some motivational words. And I got one full of food. I don't know, but, excuse me, I feel like I haven't enjoyed a meal. Maybe a couple days ago, but I feel like I haven't enjoyed a meal this good in a while. I don't know. This is hard to put down. Give me a little more barbecue. I really just did that for y'all. Look at that. That might be too much. I'm gonna do it anyway. I can't put you down. That's a good burger, man. You know it's good when you can't think of nothing else. There ain't nothing else I want to say. I don't have a desire to even say anything else. Just to eat it. This is grease too. No, I can't eat 2 burgers. I can't even eat 1 burger. I can't eat this one, but maybe Falcon can. Excuse me, because I don't think I'm editing, but I'll have to edit that out because I don't want that. All right, y'all, I'm about to go. Whew, somebody gonna hate washing the dishes. It ain't gonna be me. I ain't washing them. I'm just gonna bite the burger. I'm just gonna bite it once for good measure. I can't believe I ate that much. See y'all? Look how much I ate. 2 burgers, and they were thick. Look how thick they are. Told I have. All right, perfect burger. Let me cleanse my palate. I love y'all. Thank you guys for being here. I will see you tomorrow. Follow my TikTok. It's in the description below. Just Tasha P1. Follow my Instagram. Just Tasha P1. I mess with y'all heavy. I appreciate you guys. I love you. And I hope you have a beautiful day. And if you don't, go get a beautiful day.